Alright, so number 7 is 0.25x cubed. So the a value is right here. It's one. You could think of it as, keep it as a decimal, or just think of it as 1/4, because 1/4 is 0.25. So that's the a value, so it gets multiplied with the y. So we're going to multiply the y's by 1/4. Okay, the x's do not change at all, so it's going to be -1. 1/4 times -1 is -1/4, and then 0 times 1/4 is 0, and then 1 times 1/4 is 1/4. Okay, so we're going to plot those points, -1, 1/4, so every little square is a half, so that means that I'm going to go half a square up, so -1, -1/4, or actually half a square down, and 0, 0, and 1, 1/4. So you can see how it's flatter in the center, because it has a vertical compression, because 1/4 is less than 1, so it goes like this. Okay, and the inflection point is 0, 0. Alright, for number 8, we have a k value, which is +4, and then the a is actually -1. Okay, because the negative is going to tell us to reflect the graph over the x-axis. So we're going to multiply the y's by -1. So we're going to multiply by -1. And then the k's, then after that we're going to add 4. Okay, no changes to the x's because b is 1 and h is 0. So no changes to the x's. So let me go ahead and show the step right here. There's no change to the x, but then we're going to multiply by -1 times -1 plus 4, and then 0, -1 times 0 plus 4, and then with 1 it's -1 times 1 plus 4. So that's going to give us -1 for x, and then -1 times -1 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. And 0, -1 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. And then for the last one, -1 times 1 is -1, plus 4 is 3. Okay? The inflection point is, again, this one right here, the one associated with 0, 0, with the this middle right here. That's where the curve changes direction. So, -1, 5. So we're going to have -1, 5 right here, 0, 4, and 1, 3. Okay, so we can see the translation up 4 units and then the reflection over the x-axis. The shape is the same because there was no compression and no stretching in either direction. Okay, so for number 9, the a value is 2, so there's going to be a vertical stretch. The h value is -1, so it's going to move to the left 1, even though it says +1. And then the k value is -3, so that means it's going to go down 3. So the x's are going to change because we're going to be subtracting 1 from them, because remember, the h affects the x. So we're going to be subtracting 1 from each x. The y's are going to have 2 changes. First, we're going to multiply by 2, and then we're going to subtract 3. So we're actually doing the ay plus k, right? So let's go ahead and just do the step here. So -1 minus 1 is -2. And then 2 times -1 minus 3. Negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. And then 2 times 0 minus 3. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. And then 2 times 1 minus 3. Simplify the points. And we get negative 2 minus 5. Because 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. And then we get negative 1. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. And then last but not least, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So the inflection point is this one right here. Okay, so now we're going to plot the points. Okay, I need a little bit more space on the x-axis. So let me just extend it a little bit more. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so negative 2, negative 5. Oh, I looked at the wrong one, huh? Negative 2, negative 5 right here. Negative 1, negative 3. And 0, negative 1. Okay, so it's a stretch, so it's skinnier. And then it goes down. Okay, so that's the final one.